welcome back to my channel. I'm excited for today's makeup tutorial because I am doing another look for those who wear glasses. The last one that I did got a great response. It was a more vamped up look, so today I thought I would do a little bit more of a natural everyday look for those who wear glasses, and this look turned out great. It's perfect for those who wear glasses and don't wear glasses, so it's a win-win situation for everyone. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then let's get started. And before I do get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button to see more trendy videos from me, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So now, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I've done is already pop my contacts into my eyes because, like I've said before, I cannot apply any makeup on without any sort of contact lenses or glasses on. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to see, and it's just easier to apply makeup with contacts on. So I did that first, and I already went ahead and put on my foundation, my concealer, my setting powder, and filled in my eyebrows. So you guys go ahead and do that as well. And I'm just going to be showing you how I do the eye makeup and the cheeks and the lips. So we will go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to be doing is applying a eyeshadow primer. This is Urban Decay Nude Matte Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and it's in the shade Eden, and it is matte, so I'm going to apply this all over the lid and bring it up to my brow bone. Now to apply the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Naked Heat eyeshadow palette, and this is one of my all-time favorite makeup palettes. They have gorgeous colors in here, perfect for the spring and summer seasons. The color that I'm going to be applying first is called Sauced. It is a matte, soft brown color, and I'm going to take this and apply it all over my eyelid. Next color I'm going to be taking is called Cayenne, and this is a little bit darker of a soft brown color, more like a reddish brown color I would say. And we don't want to take too much of this. I just want a little bit on the outer edges of my eye to give it a little bit of definition. Blending brush again, I'm going to sweep over, make sure there's no harsh edges. Now I'm going to be taking this gold color by Maybelline in the color The Glow Down, and I'm going to be putting this on the inner corners of my eye and giving it a nice pop of gold. Now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes. Taking a waterproof gel eyeliner pencil, I'm going to be lining my tight line. Now I'm going to be lightly lining my bottom lash line with a brown color. And we don't want to apply this too harshly because we want it to look as natural as possible. That's why I'm using a very light hand when applying the eyeliner. And now to add some drama to the lashes, I am applying my favorite mascara at the moment, and that is Monsieur Big by Lancome. Alright, I also applied some to my bottom lash line as well, but I had to get a little bit up close with my mirror, so yeah. And now for the blush, I'm going to be using this brown shade right here in my e.l.f. blush palette. It's one of those quads, and I believe this one is in the shade Light. And these colors are very pigmented, so not too much on the brush. And now I'm going to be highlighting my cheeks. And I like to put a little bit on the tip of my nose. Now for some lip color, I am using the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in the shade Blushing Nude. I love this lip shade. It's the perfect nude lip for me. It's not too nude, I guess you could say. Like, it doesn't look like you're not wearing anything. It just has a slight hint of pink color, which I absolutely love. And to finish off this look, I'm going to be using my NYX Makeup Setting Spray in Matte. And here's the completed look. I'm gonna go ahead and put my glasses on now so you guys can see what it looks like with glasses on. And I loved how this look turned out. You could also wear it with no glasses and it looks fabulous. So